Hey everybody, we are back. This is your last lesson for today, for day 4, the 16th, and it is science. So have out your science habitats packet, and we're actually doing the last 2 pages, pages 67 and 68, which I think will be fun because you get to do some drawing, and that's always fun. Okay, so it's the chapter 4 review. It asks you to draw a picture of one animal that would live in each of these habitats. Be sure to draw characteristics that help the animal survive. So number 1, it says a polar region is very cold most of the year. In the Arctic and in Antarctica, the land and the water are covered with ice. So it's not telling you if it's Antarctica or the Arctic. So go back in your packet if you forgot what animals live there, and go ahead and do a drawing, some illustrations. If your parents want to send that to me, I'd love to see them. Number 2, a desert has a dry climate, little rainfall. Cacti grow here. That's more than one cactus. Number 3, you're going to be drawing about a wetland, some animals that live in a wetland environment, a bog, a marsh, a swamp. And the 4th one, tropical rainforest, an animal that would live there. And number 5, the evergreen forest, such as Tahoe and Yosemite and many others. Okay, they get plenty of rainfall. They've got thick growth of trees. They stay green all year. It's a warm part of the year. It might snow in the wintertime. So that's going to be for you to do, to illustrate and to color. Do a great job. Have fun with that. Send me pictures, please. That'd be so good. And then the next page, page 68, we'll go ahead and do that together here real quickly. It says, read the sentences and fill in the circle next to each correct answer. So number 1 says, small fish eat insects, ducks eat small fish, foxes eat ducks, and that sequence is called a habitat, a food chain, or a region. You're right, it would be a food chain where the smaller animals get eaten by the bigger ones and so on. And number 2, camouflage is the coloring or patterns that help an animal in its habitat. Help it breathe, hide, or run. Hide, that's right. Camouflage helps them to blend in. Some animals, the snowshoe rabbit, I think it might be called, even turns white in the wintertime. Chameleons are very famous for turning colors. Number 3, giant pandas are animals that eat bamboo. Are they invertebrate? Do they have no backbone? No, they're a mammal. Are they extinct? There are none left in the world. Or are they endangered? We need to go with endangered. Their population is low because of their habitat getting destroyed. So number 4, when you something, you are making something new out of something old. Is that reduce, reuse, or recycle? Now remember, reduce just simply means you don't use as much of it. You reduce the amount of whatever it is that you might run out of. Reuse means you just keep using it over and over. You wash it, you use it again. And recycle means you will put it into a container, they take it away, and they create a new product from it. So when you something, you're making something new. That would be to recycle, okay? And then the next part is for your creative geniuses to go off on. It says, write about one animal and its habitat. Say, pick maybe if you have a favorite animal like a sea otter or a certain type of monkey or a certain type of reptile. So write about that animal, what that animal is, and write about the habitat that it lives in, okay? And I would love to see those too for as many of you who can send it to me. I love seeing that. I feel connected to you when I see your work, okay? All right, well, enjoy your evening. I will see you tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow we have our first Zoom call, if I can figure it out, but I think I will. So hopefully I'll be there. And it's going to be from 10:30 to 11:30. And I think what we can do besides just chat a little bit is to do some Mad Libs, because you guys are really good with that. So practice up on your nouns, your verbs, your adjectives that describe how something looks, smells, feels. Maybe you can make a list of words that would be describing. Whereas adverbs, we're not going to use nice, cool, awesome, good, bad. Oh, those are boring words, right? So you're going to try to think of some more. And you can maybe even look up on your computer just adjectives and adverbs and parts of speech like that. So you can have maybe a list of some exciting adjectives, okay, and usual ones, neat ones, cool. Okay, so I will see you then tomorrow. Hopefully I'll see your faces at long about 10:30 tomorrow morning, okay? So brush your teeth, comb your hair, make sure you are wearing clothes, and we will see you then. All right, sayonara. Whoop.